Okay, so good evening, everyone. And we will be starting this orientation by a fun activity. So, we have a quiz for all of you, and until all your batchmates start joining, we will have a quiz until then. So, ask your batchmates to join soon, otherwise, they will miss the game, and then they need to they will miss the whole orientation thing. Okay, so now I will just start sharing my screen.
We will provide goodies to the winner of the quiz. So please be active in the quiz.
Yeah, so juniors, is my screen visible? Hello?
Yes, Salon.
Okay. So as you can see, we have a pin on the screen. So open your Kahoot apps. Just type in your Chrome Kahoot, and therefore go on join the game, and you can enter this. I will copy the link. Just a minute. Yeah, you can join by this also. So it's a
Yeah,
very fun activity,
and I
and
hope
you will win exciting goodies for this also.
everyone are able to write on chat box, right?
Yeah, you can see the chat box. I have given the link. Yeah, and I can see many of you are joining.
So use this reaction. So we know we are with you. You are with us.
Yeah, you can react if you are joining, or if you want 1 or 2 minutes, you can say in the chat box. So we have 72 people with us. Okay, hope you will. I think you will enjoy this game surely. Okay, so we have 99. We will wait for 2 minutes more, and then we will start the game.
Would be nice if you come with your real names because I can see Babu Rao and Professor.
Yeah,
So
otherwise we will be not able to distribute the goodies to the correct person. So just join by your real names. Okay, and don't leave the game. We will be just starting. You will miss that. Okay, so should I start? Okay, we have more people joining.
Guys join करो तुम 176 हो यहाँ 120 है.
Yeah, you
It's very
just
fun
need to
activity.
go
You should
on
join.
Chrome and just type Kahoot and just enter the pin. Also, you can join by the link in
मैंने
the
लिंक
chat
दिया है
box.
चैट में वहाँ से भी.
Ha. Yeah, and also we will be distributing some goodies, exciting goodies for the winner. And it's not like a quiz, like some thinking or calculation thing. It's a fun quiz.
It's a simple fun quiz. You don't need any calculation.
Yeah, You will see, it's very nice quiz. So we have Raju Bhaiya too with us. Please come with your original names, otherwise if you win, we will not be able to give you the goodies. Okay, so I think now we should start. Okay, so Mohsin, should I start? Like, is everyone there?
Yeah, start कर दे.
Okay. And others can also join if they're joining the meet late. So, okay, so here's the quiz time, and let's see the first question on their screens. Yeah, so here is it. And these are your options. Okay, I'm saying answers. And you have just 10 seconds more to answer. So just be fast. No, don't answer in the chat box. Answer in the phones. Okay, so we are here with 38 correct answers. And now we will see Ahmed Rafi is on the top and Ishan, Overa and Gaurav on second and third. So moving on to the next question. Like you would know this. Everyone, yeah, we have getting answers.
Marvel fans है.
Okay, so who's the yeah, we have Marvel fans. The question is like, who's the writer? And let's see. Okay, so 76 of you have given the correct answer, and it's the correct answer is Stanley. So let's see the leaderboard again. Oh, so Ahmed Rafi is again on the top, and let's move to the third question. This question has double points if you correctly guess. So the question is, which company did Google buy in July 2006? And the options are like Hangout, Firebase, YouTube, and Chrome. Okay, we are getting answers. This has double points, so correct guess will be given the right. Okay, so we have 57 right guesses, and the correct answer was YouTube. So just let's go to the leaderboard, and it has drastically changed. Pavitra has a streak of 3 correct answers, and we have Ishan on the top. Let's move to the another question. Identify this famous sitcom character. I hope like you all of these know. He is a famous character. So we have 126 answers with us. Okay, so 80 of you have given the correct answer, and the correct answer was Michael Scott. So now let's move to the leaderboard. So we have Ishan on the top.
Sean is still on the top.
Yeah, and it was a tough round because 3 players had lost their streak. Again, this question has double points. So Google Pay is made of which tech stack? So we have technology with us. Let's see which option is correct. We have React, Flutter, Kotlin, and JavaScript. Okay, there are 6 seconds remaining. Okay. And here we go. The correct answer was Flutter, and like 47 given the wrong answer, guys. Oh, Ishan Obera still makes it on the top, and Gaurav and Manas are on second and third. So let's go to another question. Yeah. So what was the previous name of the app which is given in the photograph? You need to say the previous name which was given to it. So the options are Google Pay, Taze, Gmoney, or none of the above. Okay. And your time's over. So we have 49 correct answers, and Taze was the right answer. So let's move to the leaderboard. Oh, Ishan got on the fourth position. Now Gaurav is on the top, and Manav and Pavitra are on second and third. Okay, so here is the next question, and it has double points. If you give a correct answer, you will go on the top of the leaderboard. So this extension defines a highlight on a web page. So your options are Google Dictionary, Gbooks, Google Highlighter, or none of the above. So let's see who answers it correct. Okay. And time's up. Okay, so we have 55 people who knew the correct answer, and the correct answer was Google Dictionary. And oh, Pavitra is on the top, and Priyanshu and Mihak, we are seeing the new faces on the leaderboard now. So, like this one, it's a easy guess. Identify this the place.
किस कॉलेज
Let's
का ये
see.
पता है ना तुम्हें?
हाँ, इस कॉलेज में आना है शायद तुम्हें कभी. लेट्स सी आप गेस कर पाते हो कौन से बिल्डिंग है ये. ओहो, so 80 of you get correctly, and it's the admin block of our own triple IT Allahabad. And now let's see, Pavitra makes it to the top of the leaderboard, and we have Priyanshu, two Priyanshus on second and third. Okay, so here's the second last question, and it has double points. Identify this tech stack, and you need to think which tech stack is this. By guessing correctly, you can go on the top if you are on like 10th or 12th position also. So
काफी
let's
प्रेशर
see.
फील कर रहा हूँ
This
top
one
में
was
कितना करें.
okay. So many of
नहीं.
you had the wrong guess, but like you know that it's Dart. Okay. And let's see. Okay, so I think that Pavitra is gonna win this game. And we have new faces like Aditi and Sparsh are at 4th and 5th position. So, like, be ready for the last question, and let's see who wins the game. So, here's the last question. Which events are conducted by GDSC? Okay. So, here are the options. I'm talking about the whole Google Developer Student Club all over the world, which is the whole community. And I think if you attend this orientation properly, you can be the part of this community with us. Okay, so 86 of you were right. The GDSC conducts 3 events plus more than 3. We have just mentioned the 3 events: the 30 days of cloud, the Android study jams, and Google Solution Challenge. So let's see the final leaderboard, and let's see who wins the game. So on the third is Sparsh, and he got 7 answers correct. On second is Mihak, and first, let's see who is this? Pavitra. Oh, congratulations to all, and Pavitra got 10 on 10. And our runner-ups are Suhail. And so I hope you guys enjoyed, and like be there with us in the orientation part. So I will just stop my presentation and hope you enjoyed this game.
I guess
Yeah?
you all enjoyed very much. They are saying once more.
Once more, okay. Be part of us, and we will have more fun activities with us. Okay.
Yeah.
So just now, I will ask Karan to start present, and we will start the orientation.
Is the screen visible?
Yeah, yeah. It is visible.
Shall we start?
हाँ
Shall
कर
we
दे.
start?
एक पीछे चले जा.
Yeah. Hello, Peter. First of all, I welcome you all to the Google Developer Student Club's orientation of 2022. So, we at Google Developer Students Club, we believe in building good things together. Moving to the next slide. Uh, So, but the first question that arises is, what is GDSE or Google Developer Student Clubs? Google Developer Student Clubs is Google developers program that help students from undergraduate program like in our case it's BTech with an interest in developing technological skills. The skills can be in development or in open source. Oh, sorry. The skills can be in development or open source. Our main goal is to bridge the gap between the theory and the practical application for the student developers. Like there is a great difference between the theoretical part and the practical part when it comes to application writing code. Our main goal is to bridge that gap for the student developers. Now I wish the now I would request the next speaker to come forward.
Hello.
Yes, Suraj, you are audible.
Okay. So hello everyone. Myself Suraj, a non-technical member of GDSC. Okay. So yeah. So these are some of the events that we conduct as a part of GDSC. So the first one is info session. So this session is basically about building awareness about your college's GDSC with your friends from other colleges. We don't demand any prior technical expertise for this event. Second one is Study Them workshop. We have recently organized the Android Study Them workshop in late November. Many of you might have taken part there. Android Study Them is one among them. Third one is a hands-on workshop. Like we have conducted a hands-on workshop on Google Cloud in September last year. So many attendees got to know about the technology, what it is, and how to work on different cloud-based environments. And also there were many goodies which were got by the participants after completing the tracks. Okay, so next slide.
Okay, so we have speaker sessions also with us, and also DSC also, and the GDSC gives you the platform to showcase your projects also. If we consider that your projects are amazing and we need to showcase that, so you can showcase that to the whole world. And we have great big speakers with us who will talk with you, convey you about the technology, and you can like encounter many new things going around the world. Okay, so Karan, next slide. Okay, so basically, like our vision. So, DSC is the Developer Student Clubs, and we have Google Developer Student Clubs in many of the colleges in India, also in the whole world. Okay, so here we all like our goal is like let's learn, grow, and innovate together. We have like meetings like the solution challenge which is going to come. We have the meetings from all over the world, and we can be the part of a great big community. And here we focus upon building like technical plus non-technical skills. Like it's not like we are just coding here around. We are developing non-technical skills also, which is very important in today's world. You need to be like your personality should be well defined. Okay, not only just you need to do the coding stuff. So in if you come in GDSC, we will provide a great platform so that you can build your both skills and also many exciting projects with us. So to the next slide.
So
Okay, so
here is our team comprising of DSC lead, and then comes a core team which contains mainly the coordinators of every domain and all the tech stacks we are comprising of, and then comes the technical and non-technical members of the team. So I would like to every members to introduce themselves one by one, please. Next slide.
So JDSC lead, we have Tejas sir with us. He is the leader of the JDSC community of Triple ITA. And if Tejas sir is here, he can introduce himself.
Yeah. Thank you, Saloni. So hi everyone. Myself Tejas Mane. I am the lead of GDSC Triple ITA, and I welcome you all in this orientation and hoping to see a great participation from you all in the coming GDSC events.
Okay, Karan, next slide. Yeah. So here is the core team. Like we have Deepak sir, Hardik sir, Anjali ma'am, and Sampada ma'am, who plays a role of mentor for us. And if they are with us, please introduce themselves.
Hello, hi. I'm Hardik Bajaj. I'm Web Development Coordinator in GDSC Triple ITA core team. Looking forward to see you guys and participate with great enthusiasm in all our orientations or events and like 30 days of Google Cloud and a lot of events will occur. So yeah, looking forward to see you all.
Okay. So Deepak sir is from app development wing and he is the coordinator. And we have Anjali ma'am who is the management coordinator and Sampada ma'am also from the web development. And they're always there with us to guide us. And so we will now just go to the next slide. Okay, so here are this we like from the second year. So let's meet the team. If you have Jayesh, Shreya, Sampada or Saurav with us, please introduce yourselves. Okay, so moving to the next slide, we have Rushil, Karan, Supriya, and Manav with us. And like Karan have introduced himself, he is from the PR department. And now the next slide is it's me, Saloni, Tarun, Himanshu, and Gagan. So I am from App Development Wing, and Tarun is from he's from the non-tech, and Himanshu from the AI wing. And we have more members with us. So the next slide. Okay, so the next slide is Naman, Suraj, Shailesh, and Priyal. If any one of you is here, please introduce yourself. Okay, Karan. So the next slide. Yeah, we have the AI wing with us. Now this is Tanushri, Mohsin, Kunal, and Sohad. So I will ask them, Tanushri and Kunal, just introduce yourselves.
Hey everyone, Tanushree this side, and I'm an team member at GDSC and also an open source enthusiast. Currently, I'm working on Time Pro project, which will you will all soon be using that, hopefully. And I have also written a blog based on coroutines, and you all may check it out that at GDSC's Medium page. Thank you.
Hello guys, I am Mohsen and I am from the web team of GDSC, and I am currently working on the GDSC website as a backend web developer. So hope you guys see you soon.
Okay, so Karan, next slide. Okay, now Tanushri will explain you about the projects which we are talking about. Okay, so Tanushri.
So projects under GDSC are mainly tech-based solutions, and we mainly make projects based on some community problems and give a solution to that through the tech stacks, and they are based on any Google technology. So the projects made by us are at least gone through the testing stage of the development cycle. And if you don't know about the development cycle, then it starts like from the strategy or planning of the project, then goes with the design of the project, then there comes the development part, and then the testing, and finally deployment of the project. Okay, so next slide. So these are some tech stacks we work on. Web development, app development, open source. Flutter is also part of AppD and WebD too. Then machine learning, artificial intelligence, IoT, and cloud technologies, which you will soon be using through Google Cloud. Okay, so next slide.
Okay, so like this is the treasure of GDSC Wow, and okay, you can see the video also. We have this
Yeah.
on the YouTube if you follow the Instagram or YouTube channel.
Hello guys, I'm Sampada and let's see about this WOW program. So this is a program called Google Developer Students Club's WOW program, which is organized over all India, and it is in collaboration. It is a collaborative event of over 200 plus GDSCs from India, and this is a 3 days virtual event consisting of some speaker sessions, live coding, open source project webinars, some treasure hunt games, and which is run throughout the 3 days. So to us, the developers and all the tech enthusiasts, there is much more to explore in this opportunity. So for this year too, the WOW program has been released on its official website, and it is organized between February 25th to 27th. So if you all want to get into this, so do register for the same. And we have also released this on our all the social handles, that is Instagram and also on Facebook. So yeah, do register for the same. You can move on, Saloni.
Okay, so this was the solution challenge which Sampada ma'am told you about, and hope to see you all in large numbers in the challenge. And we will be giving you all the details of this. Like, don't worry, like when it's going to start, or we will be updating you each time whenever we have a new event or anything. So, like, just move to the next slides. Yeah, and this also was explained in the previous video thing. So the next slide.
So,
And we will be sharing. Okay,
can you
so
go one slide behind?
yeah,
So just
okay.
very quickly. So solution challenge is different from GDSC WOW. So move one slide ahead. Okay, so the solution challenge is exclusive for GDSC event. Like if you will be the member of Google Developer Student Clubs of Triple ITA chapter, then you can take part in Google Solution Challenge, in which all the GDSs all around the world take part. And the goal of this is to like solve a local challenge, to solve a local problem. For us, local is India. So we will provide a solution. We will make a project on Google technologies like Flutter or be it a Java Android app or anything. And the projects are then all the GDSCs send their projects, and then it's a worldwide competition that you can take part only if you are a member of GDSC. Okay, so yeah, I will continue now. So this is Inclusivo. So this was made by us when we participated in Google Solution Challenge. Inclusivo is India's first diversity-based hiring platform. So what a diversity-based hiring platform is basically, in which we focus more on making making possible hiring of the diverse groups like LGBTQ community, or you can say disabled, specially enabled people. So you can say it's a LinkedIn for the diverse community, so that so that everyone can feel inclusive. That's why its name is Inclusivo. So India don't have any diversity-based hiring platform, and the Inclusivo was shortlisted in Global Top 50 in Google Solution Challenge 2021. After that, a Google mentor was provided to us so it is one of the 11 shortlisted projects from India. So that's a really great achievement for our college, for Triple ITA Allahabad, to be selected in Global Top 50. So next slide. Karan? Okay. So these are the tech stack which we used while creating while creating the Inclusio. So front end was built on Android app. You can also download it. It's available on the Play Store. You can see the project. Android app was built on Java, and the web app, the website was built on with the help of React or Redux. The backend was created with the Django framework, and we used PostgreSQL for that as the database for our project. And the project was hosted on the Google Cloud platform. So uh, so Carbon Hero. Do anyone want to continue on that? Okay. Okay, so I will go on. So Carbon Hero was yet another submission for the Google Solution Challenge 2021. So this app lets you track your daily activities and calculates your carbon footprint based on your usage. Like if you are turning on a fan, like based on your usual activities, it will check your carbon footprint so that you can reduce the carbon footprint and be a little helpful for the environment. So there is a question difference between front end and back end. So basically front end is all you see on the front. Like if you open a website, whatever you see is front end, like its design and the buttons you click, all of this is in front end. And back end is basically to separate some things from the front end, because like database and there is a server. When you will move more into web development or any backend, when you will learn more backend technologies, you will get more information about that. But there is a thing called API, which is mainly due to like separating the front end from backend. You should create database should be separate. So what backend do? For example, if you want to create a user account, what our backend server will do? It will make a request to the database that please add this user to our database, and based on its response, its response will be sent to the front end, and so that everything works smoothly. You will get more information when you will move on into learning learning this stuff. Okay. So users can keep a check on their carbon footprint by completing. Also, there was an option for competing with their friends, whoever used the least carbon footprint will get a will be on top of leaderboard. So this app was built on Flutter, again a Google technology, because in Google Solution Challenge, it's required to build some app on Google technologies only. And for database, we used Firebase Cloud, Firestore, real-time database. Okay, so next slide.
Hardik, just to add here, can you please go back to Inclusio slide? I can see one question, is Google Mentor which will be provided or which was provided to you was very good. So I want to share my personal experience here. Like I was part of this Inclusio team, and after we got selected in Global Top 50, we were assigned a mentor according to our tech stack. Please switch to tech stack slide. Yeah, so as you can see, our project was hosted on Google Cloud Platform, and I hope some of you are aware that Google Cloud Platform is not a free platform like Firebase. We have to pay for whatever services we are consuming from Google Cloud. So for this project, we were provided free Google Cloud credits to use the cloud platform and host our project. And the mentor provided for our project was also from cloud engineering team of Google. And we all were amazed by his knowledge and the way of talking. Like they suggested many important factors and improvements to our app and project. And normally we just think about like features and what we can add extra to the app so it will be used by more people. But besides that, there are a lot of other things like user experience and accessibility features, etc. So we got to know about those features through Google Mentor, and it was a very amazing experience. So yeah, you guys can continue now. Thank you.
So let's see the events that GDSC organizes. So basically, there are a lots of events that GDSC organize throughout the year. So from those info sessions upon the open source projects, and also introduction to building the projects. Also, the GDSC Triple IT is more focused to empower students and help them enhance their learning curve. So if you'll talk to your seniors, you will get to know how much they have improved in these months. Yeah. So our main aim lies in innovation and some change. Next slide, Saloni. So let's see the past event. So recently we had organized this Android study jams, that is the info session which we had conducted virtually, and there was a 30 days of cloud Google Cloud program which you all must have heard vaguely, like somewhere on LinkedIn or somewhere. So this is a very nice program that we had organized recently before a few months, and many of the guys in our college had completed this whole journey, and they have bagged a lot of prizes in this. So yeah, how things work in GDSC. So it is rightly explained in this diagram that we do discussions, then we make plans, then we organize events. We also include make the other people including us, and we learn and then we code. So yeah, it is a very collaborative. It is a very collaborative structure in our community. So we believe in the power of team, and it's a mixture of discussion, learning, and helping out each other with an active collaboration. And it's not like the technical team or the non-technical team can't work in the inter domains. They are free to work in whichever field or the projects that GDSC is working upon. So yeah, you can learn anything which whatever you want. So why join GDSC? So the basic thing is, the most important thing is that you will connect with the seniors, you will connect with the your super seniors also. You will meet other students in the campus who are interested in developer technologies, and you are always welcome, including all the diverse backgrounds you have. Then you will learn a lot in this community. Then there is a chance to grow, that is, you can apply your new learnings and you can build connections here, and you can provide your solutions. We can also discuss whatever ideas you have. We can also develop new projects. So yeah, it is everything. It's a mere combination of everything, and you will learn a lot. So yeah, everyone just read the line, and yeah, everyone feels that if you मतलब अगर तुम गूगल में भी नहीं लगे हो, that मतलब बोल सकते हो ना कि गूगल डेवलपर स्टूडेंट क्लब्स में तो था, ये तो है. So it's a cool thing. So yeah, GDSC Triple ITA is here for change and innovation. So if you have it and if you want to work in diverse technologies, so yeah, you are always welcomed. You are welcomed to be a part of the member. You can and you can develop yourself, and yeah, you can grow much. So yeah, the code states itself. So it's not faith in technology; it's faith in people. So yeah, we always work in teams, and we do take the ideas of all our members into consideration. So this is these are our faculty advisor, that is Dr. Mohammad Javed sir. He must be teaching you currently. So he's assistant professor in Triple ITA. Yeah,
Okay.
thank you for joining us.
Yeah, and here we have like you can join us, and we are there on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and on LinkedIn also. And we have our own Discord channel. Not teaching Triloki sir, maybe, but you will be like Javed sir will be teaching you in future. And like if Deepak sir wants to add something, Deepak sir.
Yeah, thanks, Saloni. So guys, you might have a got an idea of what GDSC Triple IT is all about. You can for the moment you can just follow our social handles and be in contact of the team. So yeah, that's what I'm telling. How can you join GDSC Triple IT Club? So basically you guys are in your first year right now. So to be a part of GDSC, you have to be a second year student. The second year students are generally the members of the club. It's not a distinction for the core team. The core team can comprise of third year or fourth year students. So the minimum criteria is you need to have some technical expertise or non-technical experience, so which you can develop in your first year of college. So uh, for the next session of GDSC, you can be the members. So you have like uh, about 6 to 7 months to study different technology stacks, develop your programming skills, your coding skills, and have some. You can also work in any non-technical club. That can also count as an experience. And then we will, of course, have a interview process for the GDSC Triple IT club, and you will all get to know these details if you guys follow our social media handles, and also join the chapter, which is actually a Google Developer Student Clubs page. Here you can see on the screen there are QR codes which you can scan through your Google Lens and go to the website and just join the chapter with your IIITA email ID. You will receive emails regarding new events which will be published by GDSCA in the coming months. This will also include the interview schedule, which will be in the coming months that I told you, probably around August or September. So yeah, till then you guys can work around your learning, and you can also attend various events that will be organized by us in the meantime, where uh, you saw that the past events were about Android study jams, and Google Cloud campaign was there. So such types of events are I mean, they can be attended by everyone. You don't have to be specifically a member of the club. Even your friends from other colleges can also attend those events and learn something that you want to.
Karan, can
uh,
I ask you previously?
Ayush, hint is not a technical club, it's a hackathon. GDSC is a club which is again under Geek Heaven, but in Geek Heaven there are other wings like coding wings, there is app development, web development wing, but GDSC is a whole bunch of unit which is a for the management term comes under Geek Heaven, but we ourselves have our own environment where you guys will be working on different tech stacks. Like in app development, you guys can work on Java or Kotlin or even Flutter. With the web team, there are stacks where you can work on Node.js, or in front end you can work on React or Angular, and we have also uh, yeah, you can also join as a non-tech member. uh, yeah, so that's all. Now we can take your questions. So if you have other questions, then you can just post it on the chat.
And everyone, I would like to inform you that GDSC has a very active community on Discord. So there is a every GDSC has a chapter also. The link to is like there is a GDSC Triple ITA chapter. I would like you to join this, but the more important part is you if you join Discord server, then we have channels for various technologies you would like app development, web development, and very frequently the latest course and the latest technologies, the information and news are also shared in that. So if you will join Discord server, then it would be very easy for us to connect with you, and also you can share with us your technology experience also. uh, so yeah, join the Discord server. It would be really beneficial for you, and you will regularly get so my voice not clear?
It is clear.
So someone was saying, can you please speak a bit loud? So yeah, we will regularly share. In low volume. तुमने ही तो नहीं वॉल्यूम कम कर रखी अपनी. So doubt है if anyone has knowledge of data structure and algorithm but not good in development. See, as Saloni told you, Tanushi told you that there are two teams, technical and non-technical. So for technical team, you have to have. If my volume is low, can anyone else answer it?
Yeah. Am I audible?
Yeah, तू तो है.
हाँ, ओके. तो सो गाइस लाइक हम लोग जो काम करते हैं GDSC में, इट्स लाइक अबाउट डेवलपिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स. सो लाइक डेटा स्ट्रक्चर्स और एल्गोरिथम आर आल्सो एन इम्पोर्टेंट, बट दे कम अंडर like the coding thing of, like, we have a competitive coding thing and we have a development thing different. Okay, so if you are just good at data structures and algorithms, you can be a part of GDSC, but you need to be a non-technical member. And we are like focusing that you learn more things. Like, we are not giving you the thing like, if you are comfortable in one thing, just be there. We want that you learn more things. And like, you have zero knowledge this time, but you are recently on first year, like, and we conduct the interviews in when you will be in your second years. So like, in the whole year, you will see that we have many technical societies, and we have like technical event also going on, and you can learn many new things. And I hope like in 1 year you will be sure, like, you will learn like even a one tech stack, and then you can be a part of us. Okay, so I think like it's great chance for you. You just need to follow our social media platforms to be aware about the events which we are conducting. And then when we will hold the interviews on second year, in second year we will be mailing everyone, and then you can be a part of us. Okay.
Yeah, just want to add to this, like if you have followed GDSC, you know that we have conducted cloud campaign and Android campaign as well. And both of these campaigns were beginner friendly, and many of new students learned Android through Android Study Jam. So you will get many more opportunities like this through GDSC and other technical societies also. So use them and enhance your skills, and you can be part of this team in the second year.
Sir, I think you were disconnected for a moment.
Hello,
Yes, sir, you are audible
is
now.
my
Sir.
voice audible?
इसमें थोड़ा सा हाँ अब है सर.
Okay, so what I was saying, like you can make use of the different opportunities provided by different tech clubs and GDSC as well to enhance your skills, and you can apply as a member next year in your second year. And one more
For now,
question.
GDSC will organize many events, so you can learn many things in that event. So for now, you can do that, and there will be interviews in second year for the member post.
And those who are thinking like, we are in first year and we don't know anything, it's the time for you to build yourself. Okay, find your own way. Like, if you are interested in the non-tech, then go there, be directed towards something. Okay, and then when you will be in the second year, you will learn new things, and then you can be part.
Yeah, and those who are getting confused between different technical societies, so don't get confused. It's straightforward. Like talking about GDSC, it's a global platform. Like you can be a part of global team. There are GDSCs all over the world, and whatever, if you become a member in future, you will get direct support from the GDSC India for all the events and developing your skills. So that's the plus point of being a part of GDS.
So someone is asking, what are tech stacks and how are they different from programming language? So programming language is basically a language in which you code. It's Java or it's C++. So these are just programming languages. But while you are building a project, for example, if you are building a web project, So first of all, you need to design a website. You would use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for that, right? So there is a framework called React, Angular, and Vue. So the React is a different framework which helps us to integrate JavaScript in HTML and CSS. So we can say we are developing our front end in React. And for example, if I'm using backend, I'm using Node.js and Mongo database as a backend. So together, front end and backend technologies constitute a tech stack. Tech stack means technology stack. So these are different technologies which I am using to build my project. That's why it's called a tech stack. You cannot build a entire project with a programming language only. You need to React is not a VS Code. React is a framework. What it do is like it helps you to make a close integration with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Like HTML, CSS is not a programming language. These are just markup languages. You cannot use variables in HTML, right? So with the help of React, you can use variables also, and you will learn more about it when you will like dig into it. If you are interested in web development, you can learn React. It's a really famous framework right now. Yeah.
Okay, moving forward, there was one question from Nikhil Pratap Singh, and for all others, those who are trying to use Inclusivo, unfortunately, it's not operational now because I already told you that the app was hosted on Google Cloud platform, and it's not a free platform. We were given a demo test credentials to host the app and do the testing there. And because our credentials are expired now, so the app is not functional now. Sorry for that.
But you can see the Inclusivo's video, the demonstration video. You can see the UI UX of that. Like you understand UI, right? User interface and the designs. You can see what so like what level of apps, what level of projects are built in GDSC. Okay, user experience means user interface. Or you can join the Discord server. Even now in this meet, I don't think in any society you can communicate with fourth years. Your issues are like directly your queries are solved by fourth years. So that's the power of GDSC. And if you will join GDSC this Discord server, you can even communicate to fifth years also. So yeah, the links are on your screen. The QR code is also on the screen. You can join the chapter, and you can even tell your friends to join it. Yeah, fifth years like dual degree. So sometimes it can be, but so Tejas Mane sir and Deepak sir are fourth year, and I am third year.
There are no dual degree students now.
Now dual degree is not now, but earlier it was there. Okay.
I think Carbon Hero is still operational, right, Deepak?
नहीं, एक साल के बाद में एक साल से ज्यादा हो गया आई थिंक, सो बंद कर दिया होगा फायरबेस ने. रिक्वेस्ट रिस्पॉन्स शायद नहीं सेंड कर सकते.
You all can check the demo videos of both the apps
Yeah, they are
we
available on
used
YouTube.
to submit in the solution challenge. So you will get the idea about the whole functioning and the design of the app through that. Someone please share the YouTube links of those videos.
सलोनी इसका क्यूरी अब तुम माइक ऑन करके ही बता दो.
Okay, so Milan is asking like C and C++ फ्यूचर के लिए यूजफुल है. बस मैं ये बताना चाहती हूँ ये दोनों चीजें डिफरेंट है. लाइक C++ से हम जो कोडिंग करते हैं एंड डेवलपमेंट, वो थिंग्स आर डिफरेंट. और जैसे C एंड C++ है, अभी अगर तुम लोग अगर अटेंटिव जूनियर्स हो तो तुम्हें पता है कि लाइक अभी APK मंथ स्टार्ट होगा एंड वहां पर तुम्हारे सीनियर्स तुम्हारी वहां पे क्लासेस लेंगे एंड तब तुम्हें पता चलेगा कि कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है कोडिंग करना। एंड हमारे कॉलेज का कोडिंग कल्चर प्लस डेवलपमेंट कल्चर बहुत बहुत अच्छा है। सो हम ये नहीं बोल रहे कि लाइक C++ छोड़ देना है, बट आपको दोनों चीज़ें आनी बहुत ज़रूरी है। एंड आप बेसिकली प्रोजेक्ट्स आपके डेवलपमेंट के थ्रू ही बिल्ड कर सकते हो, तो इसीलिए हम लोग बोल रहे हैं जस्ट इफ अगर आप फर्स्ट ईयर में हो जस्ट स्टार्ट लर्निंग न्यू थिंग्स, ताकि जब आप सेकेंड ईयर में आओगे सो यू कैन बी द पार्ट ऑफ द कम्युनिटी। एंड GDSC का पार्ट होना इज लाइक यहाँ एक्सपोजर तुम्हें बहुत अच्छा मिलेगा, बिकॉज जैसे कि सीनियर्स ने बोला तुम लोग डायरेक्टली फोर्थ ईयर से बात कर सकते हो through Discord servers, and is APK month conducted in Discord or Facebook groups. APK month is conducted on meetings, WebEx links, and should you start with web dev course? Yes, you can start definitely with web development, and you can like explore yourselves if you are like good in web development or you want to go in app development or AI or cybersec. It's up to you. So लाइक एप्स को सबको अवेल करने के लिए फीस देनी होती है क्या? लाइक वेब होस्टिंग से रिलेटेड एक डाउट है, इफ एनीवन कैन आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन।
मतलब एप्स को क्या करना है तुमने? अवेल
लाइक
करना है
होस्ट
मतलब?
करने के लिए।
नो, देयर आर लाइक बहुत ही मिनिमल चार्जेस होते हैं टू डिप्लॉय इट, लाइक इफ ट्रैफिक इज नॉट दैट ऑन योर वेबसाइट, बट इफ देयर इज सम ट्रैफिक और तुमने अपना डेटा यूज कर लिया, देयर इज सम डेटा ऑन दैट, लाइक देयर आर मेनी प्लेटफॉर्म्स लाइक Netlify, and Netlify is a good platform, बड़ा easy platform है, plus GitHub pages तो कोई फीस नहीं लेता तुमसे, even that is deploying, like in a way you are deploying your front end on a server, तो but हाँ back end अगर तुम सब कर रहे हो, see Hint and GDSC, so you should have been in Hint orientation. ये GDSC का orientation अभी if you have joined us through the RSVP, we always tell you to like first RSVP. From now on it's important कि पहले तुम RSVP करो, you will get regular mails, and event wrap up के बाद तुम्हें YouTube video मिल जाएगी about this orientation, so you can see this orientation again. Hint, I can tell Hint, I am also in Hint team, so Hint is a hackathon, hack in the know, it's the biggest hackathon, like it's a flagship level hackathon of our college, and if you are a part of Hint team, you are basically an organizing you are in an organizing team of Hint, okay? और अगर GDSC के बारे में और जानना है, so you can see the YouTube recording would be uploaded and you would be informed about that, okay? Any more questions? RSVP,
Yes,
हाँ,
I
it's yeah, RSVP is basically registering for the event that you are attending it, so that we know how many attendees are gonna be in this, and we can decide platform also with respect to that, okay? RSVP is just registering. All of the GDSC events that would be conducted, we will send you RSVP link first, okay? So we are expecting you to RSVP, okay? So I think there are no more doubts, right? Okay, फिर ठीक है, last slide चला दो, okay? Thank you.
Like Harsha has a doubt. No need to register, but you can follow GDSC so that you will get the updates of the events which we are organizing. And like the Android study jams, we like our seniors themselves teach the students how to do, how to learn things. Okay, so you just need to follow right now.
प्लस अगर तुम डिस्कॉर्ड ज्वाइन कर लोगे तो यू विल नेवर मिस एन अपडेट, ओके? तो वहाँ पे सारा कम्युनिकेट होता रहेगा, प्लस GDSC का चैप्टर ज्वाइन कर लेना, दैट वुड बी इनफ. Okay, so thank you so much everyone for joining. एक मिनट, GDSC चैप्टर के लिंक एक बार भेज दो चैट पे. Just wait for a minute, we are sending the chapter link. This is the link bit.ly. So just go on to this link and you will get an option to join the chapter. Okay. Okay, so thank you everyone for joining the session. Okay, so
Okay, thank you so much. And Karan, last slide. Okay, so like thank you.
yeah, virtual high five. Okay, bye.